Good morning, students. Today, I am going to explain about discourse writing, that is, minor discourse, diary entry. How to write a diary? Here, diary entry will be given for 5 marks. This is minor discourse. So, how to write a diary and what to be written in the diary? When do we write diary? These details should be explained in this session. So here diary entry, this is minor discourse for 5 marks. Now I would like to show you the format of a diary entry. Actually, diary has been written at the evening time or in the evening time. Why? Because in the diary we have to write our thoughts, our experiences, and what has been happened from dawn to dusk, means from morning to evening, what has happened to us, and we have to write when we go to a bed. So this is the format of a diary entry. Here diary entry has 5 parts. One is diary entry, that is title, that is number 1. Next, date and day name and time should be written, that is left of the page. Next, salutation, that is the third part. After salutation, body of the letter should be written. In the body of the letter we have to write our thoughts and experiences. Then after, here name or signature, that is the 5th one. Have you seen these 5 parts? Diary entry, date, day name, time, salutation, body of the letter, and the name and signature. Here date, day name and time, each one ends with a comma, and salutation also ends with a comma. In the body of the letter, the each sentence ends with a full stop, and sometimes whenever we want to extend our thoughts or experiences or our future plans, and we have to divide that with a comma, and every sentence ends with a full stop. At last, means here bottom right, we have to keep our signature. Now parts of the diary entry is given here. Title, diary entry. Here you should observe one thing, diary or dairy. Here spelling mistake is given. Diary, D-I-A-R-Y, diary is the correct entry. Here diary entry. So here what is written here? Diary. This is wrong. This is belongs to the milk selling point, milk selling and buying point, that is called dairy. Actually here we have to use dairy spelling like this, D-I-A-R-Y. This is our dairy. This is our dairy. So you should remember the spelling of the dairy. D-I-A-R-Y. Diary means we have to write our thoughts, our experiences, our future plans at the end of the day. That is dairy. Another dairy, D-A-I-R-Y, dairy. This is milk point, means buying and selling of the milk. This is the difference between the dairy and dairy. Next, second one is date and time. Third one, salutation. Fourth one, body of the letter, means body of the diary. Next, fifth one, name or the signature. Already we have seen these parts of the diary entry as a format. Now we have to see a sample diary entry. Here diary entry, that is title. Here 15th March 2019, that is date, and the name of the day is Friday, and the next time is 8 p.m. Only we have to write when we go to bed, then only we should write. That's why here 8 p.m. is given, that is evening. Here dear diary, that is the salutation. Next, here body of the diary is written, means these are the thoughts of Mr. Chandrasekhar or the experiences of Mr. Chandrasekhar. Once I read, look into this and listen to me. I am so happy today because I am uploading a new video. It's about how to write a diary entry, and this is the sample format. I am going to upload many more videos related to all the major and minor discourses. Discourses are the most important topic in CCE pattern. Most of the learners face difficulty in understanding and application. I try maximum to cater the needs of the learners for all their overall development of their language. I request all the viewers to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Here, signature Chandrasekhar CH Chandra Shekhar. This is the diary entry. So you must observe this diary entry, and every day you should write your thoughts and your experiences in your diary. Already you have taken diaries, and what has been happened, what have you done from dawn to dusk, you should enter in your diary by using a simple language. Is it clear? Thank you for watching this video. We shall meet you in the next video by giving another one. Thank you.